morning students, welcome to Christ King online class. In today's class I am going to explain a new chapter, that is perimeter and area. Okay, we'll see now what is perimeter. Okay, see, so perimeter is the distance around the outside the space. Okay, that means perimeter means, see, if you consider a rectangle, this is what rectangle shape. So in this rectangle, if I ask to find what is the perimeter of a figure, so perimeter means we are finding distance, finding the distance of length, breadth, length, breadth. So adding all the sides, if you add all the four sides, we'll get perimeter. We'll get a perimeter. Clear? Understood how to find a perimeter? What is a perimeter? Perimeter means adding all the sides, okay, finding length of the side. So that only, see, perimeter is the distance around the outside the space. So if this is a 6 centimeter one side, this is length of the rectangle. Clear? So this is the length of the rectangle and this is the breadth of the rectangle. Suppose this is 2 centimeter, so breadth is a 2 centimeter again. So in rectangle opposite sides are equal, right? So if this is 6 centimeter and this is also 6 centimeter and breadth is a 2 centimeter. So if you add all the sides, 6 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 6 plus 2. So total how much? So that is what? Finding perimeter, length of the sides, or we'll say circumference, okay, or length or perimeter. So perimeter means what? Adding all the four sides. Clear? So now 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 2, that is 16. So total, so what is the perimeter of the rectangle? So that is 16 centimeter. Clear? So how to find perimeter? Just you have to add all the four sides. You have to add all the four sides. So this is a rectangle. So if you observe square, so this is square. How to find perimeter of square? Same procedure. You have to add all the four sides. So what is the measurement? Suppose if it is given, this is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and this is also 4 centimeter, this also 4 centimeter. That means all the sides are equal in square, isn't it? So in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal, but in square, all the four sides are equal. Clear? So here we can find the length, like adding all the four sides, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. So total answer is perimeter of the square is 16 centimeter. Clear? So that is finding perimeter of a given figure. So now see, we can find like this, adding all the sides, or else we can use one formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle and perimeter of a square. Okay, that I'll explain now. So first we'll see what is the area. Now perimeter understood, adding all the four sides. So like next, length of all the sides, right? So now area means, area measures space inside the shape. Clear? How much space is covered in this rectangle? How much space is there here? That is what area. So this is the area of the rectangle. Perimeter means adding only the sides, length of the sides. Clear? So but area means the area enclosed in between the figure, inside the figure. Clear? So that is the area. So area measures the space inside the shape. Space inside the shape, that is the area. So next we'll see in the area, that is out, the area of rectangle is having two dimensions. That means one is the length, another one breadth. So length into breadth. So rectangle is a two-dimensional shape. So dimensions are, one is length, another one will consider breadth. So how to find the area of a rectangle? So how much space is covered by this rectangle? How to find? If they given length is given 6 centimeter and breadth is given 2 centimeter. So how to find the area of the rectangle? How much space is there inside the rectangle? How to find? So that is we can find by using formula. So the formula is A is equal to length into breadth. So this is a new formula. Area is equal to length into breadth. So length is how much? 6 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. So direct you can substitute in the formula and you can find so what is the area of a given rectangle. Clear? So same type we can find the perimeter of rectangle by using formula. So which formula? 2 into length plus breadth. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So how did you get this 2 into length plus breadth? So we'll see how we'll get the formula 2 into length plus breadth. So if you observe the rectangle, how many sides are there in this rectangle? So total 4 sides are there, right? Length, breadth, length, breadth. So here how many times length is there? 2 times length. So length, length. So length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So actually we are adding all the sides to find the perimeter. Perimeter means adding all the sides of the rectangle. So now how many times length we can say? 2 times length. So 2L. Breadth 2 times. So 2B. 2L plus 2B. So in this if you take common factor outside, understood no? L plus L, 1L plus 1L, 2L, 1B plus 1B, 2B. So 2L plus 2B. So we can take 2 outside. Why? Because 2 is common in both the terms. Clear? 2 is common. So we can take 2 outside. So what is remaining? Length plus breadth is remaining. So this is a perimeter of a rectangle. Clear? Okay. Similarly, you have to find say area of rectangle. Understood? Direct you have to multiply length into breadth. Perimeter length plus breadth into 2. 2 into length plus breadth. Clear? So that is a perimeter of rectangle. Next perimeter of a square. So if you observe the square figure, see this is a square. In this all the 4 sides are equal. So perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. So 4 into side means side plus side plus side plus side. How many times side is there? 4 times, isn't it? So that we'll write 4 into side. So that side will represent by A, small letter A. So this is the formula to find perimeter of a square. So perimeter of square is a 4 into A. What is A? A is a side of a square. Clear? Okay, by using formula we can find P is equal to 4 into A. Right? This is a formula. So what is A? A is a side of a square. How much side? 4 centimeter. So what is 4 into 4? 4 fours are 16. Clear? So by formula we got the perimeter is 16 centimeter, or else without using formula also we can find by adding all the sides. Correct? So 4A plus A plus A plus A. Total 4 sides are. So 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. So total how many times you have to add? 4 times. Clear? So 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. So answer will get same. Okay. So perimeter of square is 16 centimeter in that figure. Okay. So now you can find area of square also. We can find area of square. So in square all sides are equal, isn't it? So now we can multiply side into side. Clear? So this is what side into side. Area of square formula is A into A, or else you can write directly A is equal to A square. A square. A into A means that is A square. Okay? Or else you can write this formula. A is equal to A into A, or A is equal to A square. Clear? So this is about formulas to find perimeter and area of the rectangle and a square. Clear? Okay. Now we'll solve exercise sums. That first one, see, the length and breadth of the rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find its area. And second one, the cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land cost is rupees 10,000. Okay, you have to find area. You have to find the area of the rectangular piece of land. So first we'll draw one rectangle shape. So this is what rectangle. So in this rectangle, to length and to breadth, isn't it? So in this, length is given, length is a, so this is the length and this is the breadth of a rectangle. So what is the length of the rectangle? Length is a 500 meter and breadth is given, breadth is a 300 meter. First you have to write what is given in the question, and they are asking to find area of the rectangle. So how to find area of rectangle? So we know the formula. So that is area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Is it correct? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So this is the first question. So how to find length? You know 500 it is given and breadth also given. Just substitute in the formula. To find area of rectangle, you write the formula, then substitute the values. Length is a 500 meter and breadth is given 300 meter. So if you multiply this, we'll get, see here 2 zeros and here 2 zeros. Total how many zeros? 4 zeros. So write 4 zeros and meter into meter, meter square. Is it correct? So now 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. So this is very easy, just multiply 3 and 5. Remaining zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, total 4 zeros. So write 4 zeros and multiply 3 into 5, that is 15. So what is the area of the land? What is the rectangular piece of land area is 15, no, 1,50,000 meters square. So this much area is there in that land. The area of the land is 1,50,000 meters square. Clear? So now we got first one answer, that is 1,50,000 meters square of area of land. So now second one, they are asking to find the cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land cost is 10,000 rupees, 10,000. Understood? So 1 meter square of area, only 1 meter square of area, so that is rupees 10,000. The question is like this: 1 meter square area of land is rupees 10,000. Now they are asking what is the cost of what is the cost means you write question mark here because we don't know what is the cost of 1,50,000 meters square of land. Clear? So now you have to write 1 meter square rupees 10,000 means 1,50,000 meters square of area. So what is the cost? So question mark, cost we don't know. Clear? So what you have to do next, you have to cross multiply these two. So how to cross multiply? You write 1,50,000 meters square into rupees 10,000, rupees 10,000, this into this and this into this. There is no denominator, so write here 1 meter square. Clear? So 1,50,000 meter square into rupees 10,000 divided by 1 meter square. So meter square and meter square you can cancel. You know, numerator and denominator is having same term, so we can cancel that. Now 1,50,000 into 10,000. What is answer? So multiply. So for you see how many zeros here? 4 zeros. And here how many zeros? 4 zeros. So write 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1 into 15, you know 15. So this is the answer. Okay. So second one answer is find the cost of the land if 1 meter square of land is this much. what is the cost of this much area of land. Clear? 1 meter square is 10,000. What is the cost of 1,50,000 meter square of area? So the cost is this much. So much it is given in so like this. How many 8 zeros? So if you want, you can write this in standard form. So that means we'll get 1.5 into 10 power 9. Is it correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 steps. So 1.5 into 10 power 9 rupees. Okay. Okay. We'll see the second question in the exercise. So the question is like this. Find the area of the square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. So we have to find what is the area of the square in the area of a square. So A you have to find out. Capital letter A will represent area. So area of square is a question mark. But what is given? Perimeter is given. So perimeter is how much? 320 meter. So perimeter is given, but you will find the area of a square. So by using this perimeter, we can find the area of a square. Okay. So you know the shape of square, 4 sides. Okay. Do you know the sides of the square? We don't know. Total it is given. Length of all the 4 sides is 320 meter. How to find the side of the square? What is the side of? What is the length of one side? Don't, isn't it? So total it is 320. What is the length of one side? That we don't know. We'll find now. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into A. So this is a formula to find perimeter of square. P is equal to 4 into A. But in this question, perimeter is given. So 320 meter is equal to 4 into A. Clear? So now how to find A? We want to know what is the side. Side is be represented by A, isn't it? So 4 into A. A will be remain the same place. The 4 is multiplied. So it will divide another side. It will divide because is multiplied. No, it is going to another side. Equal another side. So it will divide. Clear? So now 4 divides 320. 4 1s are 4 8s are 4 8s are 32. So 4 80s are correct. So 80 meter is equal to A. So A means that is side of a square. So side of a square is 80 meter. Understood? So 80 plus 80 plus 80 plus 80 total 320. Clear? So perimeter is given. So we can find the side. Now if you know the side, you can find the area of a square. Okay, we'll find what is the area of a square. So what is the formula? Formula is a side into side. A into A. So just now we got side is 80 meter. A is 80 meter into 80 meter. So now if you multiply 80 into 80, how many zeros are? Here 1 0, total 2 zeros. 8 8s are 64. So meter into meter, meter square. Multiply meter into meter, meter square. So this is what? Area of a square. Area of a square. If perimeter is given, we can find the area. If area is given, then we can find the perimeter. Clear? Okay. The next question, that is C. Find the breadth of the rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meters square and the length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. So first what you have to do, find the breadth. Okay. So rectangular plot, you know, that is a rectangular shape. Understood? So in this breadth is given, B is given, no, question mark, B is question mark, and rectangular plot of land if its area. So area is given 440 meters square. Clear? Area is given and length is given. Length is equal to 22 meter. And the question, one more question you have to find, what is the perimeter of the rectangular plot. Okay. So now first we will find breadth of the rectangular plot. Clear? So now you know that area is given, so you have to use same formula to find breadth of the rectangle. So now area we know that 440 meters square and length is 22 meter and breadth we don't know, right? So B is right as it is. So in this we want to find B will be remain in the same place, and this is multiplied, 22 is multiplied to B, so it will divide the another side. Clear? So this is multiplied, so it will divide another side. Okay, so in this meter square and meter, 1 meter and meter get cancel, and 22 and 440 are divisible by which table? 2 divides, and even 11 table also divides. Okay, we will divide by 11 table. 22 means 11 2s are 44, 11 4s are 40s are, correct? So remaining 40 by 2 is equal to B. So now 2 and 40 are divisible by 2, so 2 1s are 2 20s are. So answer is breadth B is equal to, therefore B is equal to 20 meter. Clear? So 1 meter is remaining here, so the answer is 20 meter. Breadth of the rectangular plot is 20 meter. So now you have to find what is the perimeter of a rectangular plot. Okay, so how to find perimeter of rectangular plot? So that is by using formula. So P is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length is 22 meter plus breadth we got already 20 meter. Substitute here. So just in place of L and B you have to write the values. Length is given 22 meter, breadth is 20 meter. So now you have to write 2 into 22 plus 20, that is 42 meter. 42 meter, correct? So now here bracket is given, so 2 into 42 meter. 2 into 42 means 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So what is the perimeter of rectangular plot? That is 84 meter. Is it correct? Length plus breadth 42. 2 into 42 multiplication, bracket means multiplication, right? So 2 into 42, that is 84 meter. Clear? Thank you.